your book?
Little buggy.
Give him a minute to enjoy this one.
What do you think about that? You like them? Okay.
Open it.
Who's that from? That's from Daddy. That's from Daddy.
Oh, Daddy bought you this one.
What is it? What is it, Daddy?
Another gun. I think this is a rifle, right?
Yeah.
You get a belt, Daddy?
A belt.
Look, it came with a belt too.
Woo!
Daddy, you open my
And a
present.
gun too.
You got a couple guns.
Open my present.
Does that one have handcuffs on it?
Look at these handcuffs. And they have a
Oh,
whole...
Daddy, you open the present.
Let him enjoy this one for a minute, okay? He's still looking at it.
This one's for me,
Oh,
Daddy.
he's ready.
Ooh!
Wow, for me.
Remember how you enjoyed yours for a few minutes before you went to the next one.
That was a regular gun with the knife. Mine. Maybe that's the regular gun with the knife, but I put Spider-Man stickers on it.
A Spider-Man
It's a
gun.
Spider-Man gun.
Daddy, it was regular
No,
when
it
we
just sounds
got
like a
it.
spider gun to me. You made him a spider gun. Good work.
All
He's
right.
like a replacement.
All right, spider gun. Doodlebug, that's a really nice
You like
present.
it, Abby?
I got
It's
the
yours.
same thing as Daddy.
Here's a knife you
I got the
wanted.
same thing as you, Daddy. I got the
With that
same
knife.
thing as you.
You sure did, sweetheart. That's good.
Hold on. Wait. You cutting those bullets off? Did you see the...
Cut Mommy's
Grenade.
finger. Cut Mommy's finger.
You like that? That stuff for that knife, huh?
Maybe do I open this present? From Mommy? Okay. This is from Mommy.
It's yours. It's gonna be all yours.
Oh. Cool.
I love you, buddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Evie. Happy birthday.
Everybody loves you.
Yeah.
His texture in the way of the face. There.
Superman.
Superman, it says.
Superman.
Are you ready?
Wait, Riley, wait. What's this one?
Go.
That's
Let him-
you.
let him look at the books for a
Look,
second.
it's a book about him.
Cool.
Batman.
Me?
It's a book about you. Isn't that you?
Riley, put it down for a minute.
Isn't that you?
Yes.
Batman? We got some books to read. Put the Batman.
Evie, do you open another present?
Yes.
Riley.
Evie, that big.
Bring in the present first.
Let's
Then
get
go talk to Daddy.
I'm gonna stop there for a minute.
You putting those shoes on?
So, you want to get the text okay?
Okay.
No, not yet. No. Yes. Okay.
Oh, cool, Evie. Hello. Can I go see what it's called? Hello.
Oh, what's on it?
I'm in America.
All right.
Wow.
America, hello.
Isn't that cool?
Cool, Evie, do you like it?
That's really cool.
Do you want another present? I got one for you. That.
You like it?
That.
I love you. See that? I'm not sick.
This one's
I'll show you it. Oh, this goes with
What is that?
goes with the pillow, I think.
Why is it so heavy?
Why is it so heavy, Abby? Da-da-da!
What is it? Two sheets for his bed. Hey,
Ooh.
Mommy, you said you will get me a sleeping bag.
I did not say I would get you a sleeping bag.
Yeah, you did.
You said you wanted one, and I said I didn't know. Maybe Christmas, okay? Do you like these? Do you like these? I hope you do.
And maybe do another one.
kind of torn whether to turn the video on, but I've left it going.
Yeah.